In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an essay on ChatGPT. If you're also working on an essay, then ChatGPT is going to make your work a lot easier. So let's head over to ChatGPT and search for chat.openai.com and you'll land on ChatGPT. Now all you do is give instructions to the chatbot. You can type in the command like this: I wrote write me an essay on quantum mechanics, and tap on this send button. Once you do, the chatbot will start writing for you. If you want, you can also write in the exact number of words that you need. Type in something like this and tap on send. For some case, if you need even more results, you can type in something like tell me more about it and hit send, and the chatbot will give you even more essays related to your topic. So that's the way that you use ChatGPT to write an essay. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video useful. That's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.